Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking.
No problem. So, how have you been?
I've been great. What about you?
I have been good. I'm in school right now.
What school do you go to?
I go to Asmara International School.
Do you like it there?
It's okay. I like it.
Good luck with school.
Thank you very much.
Now, you and me. Okay? You and me. Let's start. Hi, how are you doing? I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking. I've been great. What about you? What school do you go to? Do you like it there? Good luck with school.